Hey, I'm Will and Noble Locksmith, and you're watching my YouTube channel, Car Key Wizard. I'm an automotive locksmith, and while I definitely don't know it all, I have learned some tricks along the way that I hope will help you while you're out in the field. One thing you can do to help me out, though, would be to subscribe to my channel. And if you like my videos, leave a comment or ask a question, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I make a lot of videos, so if there's something you'd like to learn more about or a video you'd like to see on a car we're working on, just let me know in the comments and I'll put it up as soon as I can. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy watching my videos.
Alright, I just want to make a quick video on how to break loose the breakaway bolts on an ignition. I have a 2011 Hyundai Sonata, and as you probably know, people like to try to steal these cars because they have no immobilizer. So you can see all the pieces on the floor. Somebody absolutely destroyed this one, but didn't get the car. Ignitions, I don't know what happened here. They really went hard on this, but didn't take it. So I went to the junkyard, got a new ignition assembly, and we're just going to pop this in. And I don't know if I'll be able to get a good view of the breakaway bolts. So you have two breakaway bolts holding this clamp on, and you need to get those loose. And the best way that I found to do it is this little punch tool from Harbor Freight. You just got it, and you get a little hammer. Now this one's pink, but I have not lost it. You just get, I'm not going to be able to get this in the video, but you get this on, just tap it down so it makes a little notch in the bolt, and then just start going left and keep tapping on it, and it will break those bolts loose. And then you can just, once you get them loose, you just got to get a couple turns and you can get a hand on it and spin it by hand. I use this grabber tool, then I can get on them and just spin them around if you can't get your hand on it. This is also what I use for to pop door locks that have the little lock at the back of the door. It's very effective. But like I said, this little punch that comes in a set, there's 3 different sizes. I'm using the small one because I know it works, because this is what I used at the junkyard. Get the other one off. Very easy. Break them loose, and then you can pop it off. Just slap the new ignition in there. I'm going to pause this for a minute while I get this out, and then I'll show you how to get the those bolts back in. Alright, so as far as getting the breakaway bolts back in, what you want to do, get them out, get them in your van, throw them in the vise, put something in there. That's this rag's main purpose, is protecting the threads on the bolts. Get them good and tight, grab a Dremel and throw a notch in there so you can just use a flathead to put them back in once you have the new ignition in. You can just twist them by hand and then bang them back with the punch the same way you got them out, but it's going to take you a lot longer. So just throw a notch in there, make sure your screwdriver fits in it, and you'll be good to go. Way easier than any other way to do it. Alright, just real quick, that is the strap back on. You can see my notches, so you can just screw those screws down. And new ignition installed. Pretty easy. You're gonna run into a lot of these. Like I said, people steal these cars because there's no immobilizer. We do quite a bit of them, depending on the shape and how much the damage they did trying to get it out. You can usually grab one from a junkyard and just slap it in. Pretty easy money.